What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sorb with another video. Today's video, we got a little something special, as y'all can see in the title. We getting a new wrap today for Halloween, but it's not necessarily like a new wrap. It's more so I'm adding some little decal stickers to the car. Yeah, we gonna fit the theme for Halloween. You know we gotta decorate Sorb Jr. for the vid. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you're new to the channel. I'm about to head to the wrap shop right now. Hopefully this shit looks good. I know it's gonna look good, but let me also show y'all something else I got for the car real quick. You see it. You see it. Oh, another new addition. Hold on. Ha! Type shit. But yeah, we gonna put this in the car too. So we gonna have that, the new wrap. Who knows, we might add some more shit. Cause I got a little event coming up on Sunday I gotta be at. So we gotta fit the theme of Halloween. And I gotta do it for y'all for the channel. So we about to head to the shop right now. I'm kinda gonna be late, so let me just put the camera down. I'm gonna pick y'all up when I reach the shop. As you can see, we officially made it to the vehicle with Skelly. And yeah, we about to head to the fucking shop right now. So, yeah, now I'm gonna pick y'all up when I headed over there, or when I'm over there. So as y'all see, we're here now. Y'all see Skelly in there. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what we about to do to the car when I get the print of the wrap. I don't want to expose it yet. Oh, listen to the video. If you see the video, then you gonna know what it is if you watch. So all you gotta do is watch. So keep watching. Keep watching, you'll know what I'm doing. What color am I getting? What y'all think? What y'all think I'm about to do to the car? Comment down below what y'all think I'm about to do to the car. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it's gonna look nice.
Yeah. And also I have I brought these just to see like what we could possibly do with them or where we could put them. But you said not to put them on the wrap, right? Put them on the glass.
Yeah. I think the wrap can get that.
And I also brought this to figure out how I'm gonna get this on the spoiler.
I've been thinking about it since you sent me the text. I can't find a way.
It's fine. Is it possible to put this little strip here?
Yeah.
Might as well. Damn. This is fire. I might keep this on after Halloween too.
Yeah.
Let me know what y'all jacking. Should I keep this on after? Should this be the permanent theme of the car? Like, it fake looks perfect. Me call my son Xander. You know what to say.
Yo, what's good, vlog? What we doing today?
Look,
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice.
I put that extra piece right on this part.
Is that a piece of chrome I'm seeing, bro?
Huh?
Is that chrome?
Where?
Nigga, on the right side of that.
No. It's just the sun's just beaming. The sun's just beaming.
I'm about to say, you gotta delete that now.
So what you jacking with this though?
That looks tough. That looks tough.
Like, I might keep this after Halloween.
What's on the other side? Okay. Liking it, bro. Liking it. So
Shout out the skeleton in the front.
Super jacking that.
Yeah, but I'm thinking about I might keep it after the thing, bro. This might have to be the new theme, but niggas done did Joker already though. That's why I'm like, a lot of people did a Joker theme already. That's why I don't know about keeping it.
Who has that in Texas? In Houston?
I never seen no one with a Joker thing in
Not only
Texas.
that, but I feel like giving it that Joker persona kind of like, it's gonna bring more people to your channel. I feel
Not yet for sure.
like Joker fans, like just Joker fans, not even car niggas is just fans of Joker. Are gonna jack your car.
No, yeah, I could jack that. But I might put the little the fake blood hand stickers on the glass too, like in the back seat though, cause I ain't rolling those windows down, so I don't think it should fuck up, right? I only rolling down the front window. I'm gonna see what I'm able to do with that little fucking doll too. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. I might do it when I'm parked. Like I might put it there when I'm parked though. I'm not driving with it. Oh yeah, this looks fire. This is fire. This is hams in there. I'm feeling this, like it says it, I'm not listening to you, bro. You almost 48 me and told me to get that big face other shit. Dude, this actually looks too good. To the point where I dead ass might keep it. But I don't think I'm gonna. Being this, then this is just Halloween. I wanna do more stuff, Loki. I feel like I should do way more, but I don't know what else to do. Don't look too bad. I had a lot more ideas, but I don't know if I could really do them to the car. Like, I wanted to get some cobwebs and put it somewhere on the car, but I feel like it's a lot of work and I don't know how to do all that right now, so.
Are you going to like a Halloween party or something like that?
Yeah, I have a car meet I'm going to on Sunday, like a trunk or treat. Yeah, some BMW type of group. So I gotta do something for my trunk. I might end up putting that doll in the trunk, some candy, some cobwebs or something.
That would be nice.
And just leave my trunk open for the car meet. Yeah, I really like this though. This came out exactly how I wanted it to.
Yeah, come on.
I was also thinking about the door jams with it, but that would have been a lot of work.
For door jams in that color, you're looking at around 500 or 600 each.
And then just to do door jams to end up taking it off, I felt like it was pointless.
Yeah. How often do you actually see the door jams?
Yeah. I know I had to record it in the sunlight. This looks beautiful. My Jesus. But Lord have mercy, I need a car wash, chat. Let me show you the other side. This with the yellow DRLs. This looks fucking beautiful, bro. My goodness, bro. I'm about to get up out of here. I'm about to try to get a car wash. I'm gonna try to get a car wash, see how beautiful it looks washed. I would have did the door jams too, but I'm taking this off soon after Halloween, so it would have been pointless to do that. I can't lie, so I'm not even gonna do the door jams, but I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit. I like how it looks. I definitely am loving the results, but we're about to try to get should I get a car wash now? Should I wait for some other time? I would think I'm gonna just wait for some other time, so. This might be the end of the video. If it is, if it's not, you'll see another scene after this, but this will be the last scene, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications if you're new to the channel. Let me know what y'all think down below too, of the little Joker addition to the, what is it called? I don't even know what it's called, I forgot. But, yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. All right, guys, so we back at the crib. Yeah, now it's time to dress to impress. I'm gonna get a couple more shit for the car. I don't know what yet, but as of right now, I think I like what I got. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the noise if you're new to the channel once again. I'm sitting here enjoying this nice view today. It's nice weather today. I wish it was hoodie weather though. I like wearing a hoodie in Houston. Like, I'm too used to the New York. I need a hoodie, but yeah, man, I'm chatting. I'm going to end the video here. BO6 is out at the moment, if y'all don't know. Before the whole car content, I was also a whole YouTuber on COD. So I'm going to put my shit here because I'll be streaming on Twitch. So make sure I drop a follow on the Twitch too if y'all want to tune in to me shitting on niggas on Black Ops 6. Seeing niggas play it right now. My son shot to you on the game. But it officially comes out tomorrow, but there's a little New Zealand cheese where you can play it right now. I'm not going to do that because I'm kind of busy. But yeah, I'm going to catch you on the next video, man. Deuces.